Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video, and it is a pair of shoes that I am definitely very hyped up for. Now, it says basketball, I mean technically but normally it's supposed to say QNTM, quantum, but these are still quantums. These are just a basketball variant of it, which I actually did not know when I bought these at first. I really like this colorway. I got a 10.5, and normally all of mine are 10.5s except one. The first pair is a 10 because in store they did not have a 10.5 at the time. But let's get into it. I am so hyped. Like this colorway is actually so crazy. So I mean, as always, you guys should know how these open up. Just gotta slide it out. I won't lie though, when they shipped this, I thought they shipped me 2 pairs of shoes because the box was so big. I was like, no way there's just 1 pair of shoes in here. But look at that glory right there. It's got blue with like a little bit of a greenish gray accent to it, and then obviously the white bottoms, and then the 2 gray in the back with the reflective, and then the black all along the top, and then the back as well. Heat. I think this is heat. You cannot tell me it's not. These are definitely the most fire next to the first pair of quantums to come out. Like, look at this. You see that? That's like white. That's not normal. This is raw. I like this colorway. And I think they need to do more colorways like this. Like if they did this in like a red, goodbye. But on some real shit, I really do like this shoe, and I think the only colorway to compare to it so far in, I think, like the best, I would say, would be the first one to come out, which is the gray one right there. You guys can check it. But I don't know, I really like this, you know, just a typical quantum bottom, and then the sides all wavy, reflective and all that. Well, actually, these aren't reflective because these are the basketball ones. So, the more you know. Just to fully confirm if they are or are not reflective, let's see real quick if I take a picture of it. As I thought, it would only be the back that's reflective and not the other way around with the sides and stuff. Actually, it is slightly reflective. So like right here, there's like very slight reflectiveness, and then you got back here. But aside from that, it's not like too crazy with it. The basketball ones are supposed to be made to be able to actually play basketball in, because I guess there's a rule where you cannot have reflective shoes on the court, which makes sense because of all the lights and the flashing and all that stuff. I cannot get over how crazy these shoes are. Like, I don't know, I'm happy I got them. These are obviously for the personal. I currently am 4 for 4 for all the quantums, so I have gotten every single pair of quantums to come out, and I am proud of that. Don't knock me on it. Let's get a close-up. And then here's a close-up of the box. We got the basketball, and then we got the boost right there, the sizing right there. And then just look at this shoe right here. I think this is crazy. This is definitely one of the better colorways they've made. Like, I won't lie, like, this colorway right here is all right. It's cool, but it's like a greenish gray. It's all right. But this colorway right here, now that makes me want to just like, no, I mean, I still like you. Don't worry. But look at this. I think it's way better than than the other ones. If they keep making quantums like this in these colorways, I think these will be some fire shoes that a lot of people will start picking up, meaning the resale value will go up, and over time I think that's what's going to happen. Now, if you did notice, so along here there is a like stretch material. The other quantum does not have that. That's because the basketball difference. So the basketball quantum has this stretchy material for your ankles and all that good stuff for support. This one does not. This one kind of just goes in there and flops around. So there you go. If you guys did not know, now you know that is a little different. And there's definitely a little more cushioning as well. You could tell, like, these are still comfortable, don't get me wrong, but the basketball ones are obviously made to more or less support your ankles and whatnot better than the other one. Look at that. Look how white these bottoms are, like right there and stuff. Alright guys, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what your guys' favorite colorway for the quantums are. This and then the first one that came out would be my favorite. No order, I don't know what one is better than the other, but they are snapping on these. If they keep coming out with shoes like this, then I think these quantums could go up in value, but that's just me. I'm a little biased just because I really like the shoe, and I really wanted a pair of 750s when they first came out, but we all know how that went. Anyway, yeah. yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Shout out Kanye, shout out Adidas. You guys are doing great. You're probably not watching this, but if you are and you ever want to just send me a pair, hit me in the DMs and I will gladly do an unboxing video and I will wear it on camera, whatever. But that's probably not gonna happen. You never know though. You never know. It's 2021, right? Anything's possible. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace. Go follow me on Instagram. Oh, right there. Right there.